Hi again, Hakan from Web News team. Welcome to our channel. Do you want to protect your online event links until the user purchases a ticket for it? Stick around till the end of the video and find out how the Virtual Events Addon can help you with that. Like all of our add-ons, you will need to install it first. But contrary to most of our add-ons, a new menu item is not added under ME Calendar. The menu for this add-on has been added to the event creation page instead. On each Edit Event page, a new tab called Virtual Event is added. So, for our online events, we'll enable the Virtual Event checkbox. Let's go over these options. The most important fields are link and password. You can paywall the link to any live stream or meeting platform like YouTube, Vimeo, Google Meet, etc. and password protected using this add-on. The other important field is embed for video hosting websites that offer their videos as embedded links so that their video is displayed on the event page without having to go to the video link. But before that, you can see that two options have been enabled here, named Display when booking is complete. This means that information about the online event link and its password are only shown to the user once they've booked a ticket to the event. Now, on to the other options available here. Display virtual badge in shortcode will indicate the event is virtual on your calendar page. I'll show you how this looks later on. The next option works similarly, only for the event page. So, this is my event page and there is no virtual event badge on it. Let's enable both of them and update our event. Let's refresh our event page. As you can see, the virtual event badge has been added to the sidebar widgets. Real quick though, you need to also make sure that this widget is enabled from the sidebar widgets in the Make settings. In the Make settings, navigate to single event, then sidebar, and if you have the virtual event add-on installed, the virtual event option is also enabled. So, for virtual event badges to show, you'll need to enable the option from the event page and also have the widget option selected. Otherwise, it just won't show. The next option is Display Booking History. It is an important option. It lets users who've booked a ticket to see the link, password, and embed on the event page every time they visit it. I'll enable it to show you how it works in real time. As you can see, there are no details about the virtual event here. I'll need to make, a booking first. Now, the virtual event details, including link and password, are shown in the green text box. And again, the Display when booking is complete option is what has allowed us to view this information. If left disabled, the information won't be shown to the user at the end of the booking process. Let me refresh the page. Thanks to the option we had enabled, a virtual events history panel is displayed now, allowing us to join the link and password every time we visit the event page. If I disable this option and refresh the page, the history panel is no longer available. However, if I enable it and include a video embed for it as well, in addition to the event link and password, the video embed is included in the history as an iframe. Since this video is already published, you can watch it on the event page without having to go to YouTube. But if the video hasn't premiered yet, the embed will be blank until it's been published. We've already gone over the link and password sections. The next remaining field concerns how long the above information will be shown before your event starts. So, on our event, the countdown module shows that 7 days are left until it starts. If I set 9 days before event starts for the virtual event, then the event info, will no longer be shown. As you can see, the history field is no longer being displayed because it was available only 9 days before the event start. The other time options available for it hour and minute. This can be useful to keep your virtual event data private. Let's change the value to 4 days and see how the event page changes. The history panel, including the event link and password, becomes visible again. When our event countdown gets to 4 days, the history panel will disappear again. The last option is self-explanatory. The event details will be hidden when the event goes live, so latecomers beware. Let's circle back to the shortcode badge I mentioned at the start of the video. Any event that has this option enabled for it will have the badge on the calendar page. So, for example, on this list view shortcode, there is a green virtual event badge next to the event title, which makes it stand out. But if I disable it and refresh the page, the badge is no longer displayed. So, the badge makes it easier to differentiate between events on the calendar page. The virtual event badge is available for both the event page and calendar shortcode. Another important feature in this add-on is that the online events information can also be sent to users via email notification. This works by adding new placeholders in the booking notification that already gets sent out to registered users. Let's head to the Mac settings under notifications. I want to adjust the booking confirmation email, for instance. When this add-on is installed, 3 new placeholders are added to our notification toolkit: virtual link, password, and embed. Another new feature that gets added with virtual events is the custom message option, which allows you to create a separate notification text unique to your online events. The contents of this notification, which includes those 3 placeholders, will only be sent out to attendees of your virtual events. Another change made to Mac with this add-on is related to the front-end submission form. In FES settings, a virtual events field is also added, which is enabled by default. With it enabled, your front-end users will be able to include live stream or meeting links for their user-submitted events. That was it for this add-on. Overall, it's a handy tool for paywalling online event links or virtual screenings of movies. Additionally, the notification and history sections make it easy to keep track of your registration and event join link as well. Hope you found this video useful, and I look forward to reading your thoughts and comments about the add-on below the video. Thank you very much for staying with me, and see you in the next video.